Hey guys, let's unbox my Fola speedy blender from Fola import all the way from Nigeria. Okay, we have two items here. Olive oil blend, the blender itself. So this is a Fola Speed 1 blender. Here's this water bottle and the blender itself. Looking nice, right? I love it already. So this is for 200,000 naira only, just 100,000 naira, and you can pay in 3 installments, which is like, even if you don't have the money to pay everything at one go, you can pay 3 times, 35,000, 35,000, and 30,000, which is not bad, right? I'm glad I have a new blender. Yeah, this is Fola Speedy 1. Good. So time, you can time it. You can make soup, sauce, ice crush, and juice. So you can use this for a lot of things. So I have a new blender now. You're going to be seeing often in my cooking videos. So this is the olive oil blend, right? This is the olive oil and my blender. I can't believe it's just for 16,000. If you're looking for something nice like this, good blender, I think you should give this a try. From everything I'm saying, it looks solid and good to go. That's
You're gonna eat it.
no. Okay. I like the color.